So this is Japanglish Tech Talk fourth period, and we have amazing speakers for all them. And thanks for sponsor by Timey and then Century. And please feel free to share on X. Of course, you can touch a PC or a smartphone, and with hashtag Japanglish Tech, please post anything that you want, except any picture without permission, please. Then, hi, I'm Naru. I'm the host of the Japanglish Tech, and I'm currently freelance engineer, and but going to make a company. Whether this indie hacker with their team. So please, if you are very interested of indie hacker is actually. Do you know the indie hacker? Perfect. Yes, thank you. Yeah, indie is like personal hacker. No? It's kind of slang. So, so if you're interested, please feel free to talk to me in a while after the break. Okay, thank you. And we have Tam Tam.
All right, it's my turn. My name is Tam Tam. I'm today's host as well as Nazir. I'm currently working at Raxo and so married to Chinese Indonesian. The right figure is about my article. If you are interested in, please access to these articles. All right, uh, go on. Today, this is the fourth time and this has been held. And this slide is about the first time event at Raxo. And the second one is at eDash. And the latest event, third time event, was here at Timey. These events were a great success, so we are excited to uh, so have this event a great success. And as you know, we can't hold this event without the support of the sponsor, Ichizoku-san, Central Japan, and Taimi-san. So please give them a big round of applause.
Thank you.
And today, here is our timetable. And so each so speak topic will have 10 minutes. Just a moment. And so we have our fantastic lineup, our speaker who will be presenting on various engineering topic. So now let's kick off our presentation.
Yes.
Yes.
Additional information recording it's on the YouTube channel. Sorry. But you don't need to worry about your face because it's only on this slide will be the shared. Yes, but yeah, if you have any problem, that please let us know. And then,
So by the way,
Hmm?
so Taimi-san
Yes.
introduced yourself.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. So from now, we're going to have the sponsored talk from Kawamata-san, Mr. Kawamata. So could you please come up here and we're gonna have this 5 minutes talk or 10 minutes. 5. All right. Thank you.
はい。ということで、スポンサーまで英語で話させられる、 とても怖いイベントですね。ということでやっていきたいと思います。Hi, I'm Kawa from Timey. I'll be speaking about 5 minutes as part of the Benny Sports Writing Talk. And since I only have 5 minutes, I'll be focusing on these 2 points. And today my goal is to make you think, well, hey, timing seems pretty cool. So that's my goal. And first, let me introduce our company. Time is like gig work service that matches people who want to work with business that needs the workers for a specific time. And at first glance, it might seem to be just typical marketing services, but it's in reality we kind of handle tasks like electronic delivery, labor condition notices, and some taxes, and like payroll management. So that allows the employee to post job easily and confidently while welcoming diverse range of workers without the hassles. So that's one good point. And just recently we announced that the number of workers on our platform has surpassed 10 million. That's quite good news. And recently, many competing services has emerged, but we're proud to say that we're holding strong as the number one service in the industry. And well, since our recent IPO, we've been getting a lot of attention. And I, th- personally, I truly believe this time it provides the immersive social value. Well, what I mean by this is this acts kind of safety net for the society. So like people become depressed since like well corona viruses within this it's still Japanese society is kind of hard given hard time to actually get back into society, but with within our services you only have to work, well it's yeah, up to your choice, but you only have to work like 2 or 3 hours a day, and when you feel like it or when you're capable of working at that point. And this kind of step-by-step working experience provides the people get back into the society more easier. So I think that is like part of the social value that timing provides. And now let me share about a bit about this sponsorship we're currently providing right now. So we actively provides venue for events like these gear-based tech communities. And since like of course since coronavirus, this environment event venue has changed quite drastically, and like like before and after COVID, many companies that used to provide those spaces for the events, but they kind of moved to like small office, and or their business kind of like disrupted anyways. And so within these things happen, but someone has to step out to make these kind of events happen. So that's what we're up to now, like this. If anyone here today are interested in hosting like study group or events like this, so please chat to me, and thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. And then what about this calendar? Yes.
なんか総務から預かってきたんで、カレンダーを皆さんにご覧いただいてめちゃめちゃ可愛いので。
Thank you very much, Talk, and for the calendar as well. And Natsu-san, can you come up the stage and get prepared?
I'm essentially sharing the calendar
Yep.
to the offline member. Yeah.
Oh yeah. For the online member, sorry about that. Like Timey, Haas is giving us the new calendar for 2025. This is amazing. And yeah, of course, you might know. You already know the Timey as a company or service, but you might not know that like they are giving us the great chances to the such a great win-win system to let us to use this office. Yeah. Thank you very much. So let's give her a start with the first session. Today's Nati-san is speaking about the world I saw when I changed my job from front end to engineer to PM. Is anybody in PM in the position of the PM? No? Okay, it's a great chance to hear to change the career. And also, I sorry to forget about mentioning it, but today's we have the theme of the our career. So we are going to have the discussion time of speaking about your career. Okay, right? You ready? Okay. And then she's going to speak in 10 minutes, and we're not this time not having the time for getting that question. So if you have any questions, please ask directly to her. And we have the break time or the pizza time. So you have tons of time to connect. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I'd like to share my topic. My topic is Shifting Perspectives, a journey from front-end engineer to PM. Here's my agenda. Here's today's agenda. So there are 6 chapters. 6 chapters? 6 chapters. So wait. Sorry. Okay. So before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Chinami Miyashita. You can call me Nati, or my native camp teacher called me Tina, which is, or you can choose Nati or Tina. And I'm working as a project manager and general manager in Bruges company. So as a project manager with working with client, and as a general manager, I make company system or company rules nowadays. My career is as follows, and my hobby is music and traveling and cinema. I also have X account, so please follow me. Okay, so I have a question to you. So, are there moments that change your perspective? Usually, we have this moment when we graduate schools, like change job, or I can say change environment, like moving, right? So I have this moment when I change my career as a front end engineer to project manager. So I want to talk about this. Okay, so firstly, I want to look back the meaning. So what is the differences between PM and engineer? So I organize the main differences between them. So I think 3 main differences between them. So I want to look at the first one. So first one is role. So what is the differences of them? PM role is managing the entire project. So engineer's role is handling programming. So second is scope of work. PM's scope of work is entire project. Engineers is development tasks. The last one is responsibility. I think it's most biggest differences. PM responsibility is ensuring project success. Engineers is completing assigned tasks. And I also noticed that the way of evaluation is also different, right? So take a look at. So, sorry. Engineers evaluation is additive approach, right? Because we can see their results, for example, as a code or making function, right? So we can evaluate with their results, like coding, yeah, implementing UI UX, and it's like skills. But when it comes to PM, PM evaluation is subtractive approach. So we can't see their results easily because PM's task is avoid the problem or avoid problem. What else? Coordinating the project. So we can't easily evaluate them. My boss also said that. So it's really difficult to evaluate. It means it's really difficult to promote as a project manager for me. Okay, so I want to look back my perspective when I was a front-end engineer. Sorry. Okay, when I was a front-end engineer, I can focus on just it, engineering skills. Oh, I don't mean it's not as a engineering manager. It's only player. So for example, we can focus on UI UX implementation or coding code quality. So engineer's goal is success in part of the project. It's not beyond the project. So how my perspective has changed as a PM. So PM goal is PM task is coordination for project success. For example, coordinate with all, not only engineers. We have to talk with stakeholders, sales, designers, and we have to judge priorities and make decisions quickly. It's very difficult. The PM's goal is success overall the project, not our team. So we have PM care about other teams, the impact to the other team. So this is my thinking times when I was engineer. I know I should think a lot more as an engineer, but yeah, this is the difference. So when I became a project manager, I have to think a lot, think more. Oh, I have a headache. And so what I gained by elevating my perspectives. So there are 3 key points. First, I have to think. I always tend to think what information they want. So as I told you, we have to communicate with a lot of people like designers, salesperson, engineers. So the information they want are different. For example, if you are engineer always care about the process. It takes 3 days for implementing, or blah 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 like that. So, but salesperson, I'm not sure designer, but salesperson stakeholder care about the do. So, I know the how many days you take. So, when the do, like that. So they don't care about the how can I say process. So due and time, means time and cost. Second is judge priorities quickly. So engineers can't wait, can't wait, that we we can't how can I say a lot of engineers and the PM are waiting for our judgment. So we have to judge quickly. Third is improved communication skills. It's related to first one, but yeah. So conclusion. So this journey gives me a higher perspective. I have to see from the top, not top, how can I say, high position to the, I have to see the whole project. So I have to think big, or it's the vision in some companies. So if you are interested in the PM career, so let's talk with me after the lightning talk. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That was a great topic. That it's perfect topic for today's Japanglish TikTok. Can you come up, Musa, please? Thank you. Yeah, that was very interesting, and I'm very curious about how the perspective is affecting her feelings or mindset. You know. Yes. So next will be the from Musa-san, and he will be talking about the most efficient way of growing your English vocabulary. Nice. And the importance of English proficiency in global career. Oh, he's going to talk about global career. And it's now on YouTube is on, and we are catching up the any questions from the YouTube or the Twitter. So if you can have any question and really stick to that question, you can give us through Twitter or YouTube. And then quite recently, I got the information that Musa-san could get the quite great score of the English test and then IELTS. Yeah.
Yes, so thank you for waiting. I'd like to talk about the most efficient way of vocabulary building and the importance of English communication skills in overseas careers. Thank you. So let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Musa Yazju. I'm an iOS developer at Boise Incorporated, and previously, actually, I was working at Native Camp at Cebu, Philippines, and I recently got a score of IELTS 7.0. Thank you. Thank you. So let's dive into the main topic. In tech market overseas, English is required mostly, not in like Germany or other companies. Yeah, mostly English is very important, and most of tech job postings says strong English communication skills are required. So it's essential. And I believe the hardest part of learning English is allegedly vocabulary building. It is the hardest part. It takes endless amount of time. Yeah. So I'd like to ask you how you learn vocabulary.
Reading the book.
Yeah, nice. Great. So I believe these two methods are very popular. First one is word list, tangocho, and extensive reading and listening, tadoku tacho. And both methods have benefits and drawbacks. So first one, word list has it has the most efficient. It is the most efficient way of learning unknown words and phrases. No doubt of that. And it is most of the time it is categorized for specific proficiency, like there are word list for beginners, intermediate, advanced, etc. Also for test preparation. And cons, it is boring. True, very true. And let's see the extensive reading and listening. It has also pros and cons. So the pros, first one is an overwhelming amount of language information. It is the dense form of language, you know, so it is very efficient as well. And it is fun. You can get a lot of language information from your favorite dramas or movies or podcasts. And the drawbacks, there are drawbacks. It has less efficiency than word list. It is time consuming to search definitions when you find unknown words or phrases while you are watching movies or anything, whatever form of information. And it is hard to retain search information without reviewing. For example, you see Japanglish, and one day you search the Japanglish meaning, and a month later you don't remember, right? So it is hard to just grow your vocabulary with reading and listening without reviewing. So how can we build vocabulary in fun and efficient way? I have prepared solution. Oh, it is exciting. What is solution? Ah, their vocabulary AI. What is this? Oh, it is an iOS app. It's created by Musa Yazju. I know its name. So let me introduce the solution. So first you need to listen or watch or do anything you want to take English information. And when you find expressions you can't understand, just pick up your phone and open Vocabulary AI app and put any words or phrases, and you'll understand the expression right away. I will show you the demo. So this is the screen of my application. Oh, okay. I don't know about Japanglish. What is it? And like this, you can see everything you need. You can get pronunciation, definition, example sentences, and you can review your searched words or phrases at any time. So you can review the vocabulary rapidly and retain the information in your memory for a lifetime. Like this. And it's powered by ChatGPT. So it is showing that you can also find the information of phrases, not only words. It's great. And next, so that's it. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I am very surprised that it was such a great speak, and I'm sure we could learn a lot of things. And it was also the great marketing. But is it expensive, right?
It's free.
No ads? It's gonna be viral. Okay, thank you for two of them. Please give another applause. Thank you very much. And from this time, we're going to have the 15 minutes, not a break. We're going to have the discuss time. This is the kind of first time of us trial. So let's see. Can you make a pair like we did as an ice break? Three of the member of three. Can you make up a group now? Please. Three. And I'm going to give you 5 minutes each and talk about one topic and another topic. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to ask somebody else randomly, and then please speak up. Okay. Sorry, today's theme is about the career, but it's also as AI is so viral, like he could use that in application. So why don't we get combined with it? So first topic will be the how are you using AI? Of course, in a company or in the hobby or anything else. Please go ahead. 5 minutes. Slide. Sure. Yeah. Please. 他の人も続けて他のメンバーも入れて他のさ、交番にいるメンバー入れて。
So, what do you make of this? This question. So how are you using this? I often use Spiral generate code. Reading very valuable. But in general, I think so. As for me, I use AI as in GitHub. So out my company, so we can summarize the PR as a description. And so they generate the PR about the implementation of this PR, the summary. And after this, so I copy the summary. And after this, I open my editor and put the prompt. And so I ask the editor to output of the implementation. So review.
We have 2 minutes more.
I modify the so I modify the incorrect outputs of the computer. So how is I don't like encode.
You don't work?
I don't want
Fire you.
what name is also with code with the extension of trying yeah, so yeah. Will be 3.4. I see. So, code.
And 20 seconds. Three, two, one. Yes, end of the session. Thank you very much for the 5 minutes. So, as anybody can be volunteer, Mr. Gentleman, what did you talk about? Can you say your name and then what? Can you share what you talk?
Okay. Hello. My name is Atsushi. I'm currently working as a cloud engineer at Logras. So we talk about how we using AI recently. So our company start using Devin AI. It's still testing. So yes, it's a $500 per month. So still testing, but it's really efficient and we can save time for develop new feature. So yeah, that's all. So
Thank you very much. So now we're gonna have another 5 minutes of this right slide. What do you think AI will affect your career? Same member and 5 minutes. Please go ahead. Can you guys make another pair? Like there's two another. So you make a separate two group, and then three. You can make maybe you can join here. Yeah. Yeah, three. Yeah. No, three. 1 minute and a half.
So as for me, so I read the document presented by some it said that the engineer will just read the code that generated by AI. So the importance of a senior engineer who has a knowledge of evaluating. So whether the code is valid or not. As for me, I don't like coding actually, but I have to.
All right, I think we talk enough. So this time I wanna have a few volunteer. Would you mind to be a volunteer? Say your name, and then this time I want you to answer. You have a hope for the AI, or not to have a hope, and your opinions, please.
Hope, because I don't like coding. I don't like coding. Yes, AI can help me.
Nice, thank you very much. So next, what about you, gentlemen?
What are the questions that?
Your name and you have a hope for the AI, and what did you talk about?
My name is Ken Shimizu. I don't hope that the AI, cause that my position is that the using internal library. So then AI doesn't know my library. So then AI doesn't help me.
I see, interesting. Okay, gentlemen. Hi there.
That's tough.
Your name, and do you have a hope for the AI? And what did you talk about?
ホープって いいか悪いか。AI がいいか悪いか。
Your name.
My name is Makoto. Hope.
Yeah, hope.
Yeah.
Why?
I I want to use AI because don't I don't write code.
So you don't write the code not as much as you did before. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. And sorry, lastly, I want to have like another minutes to make another group. Can you make another group of three of you guys? Three of you guys. And through this, I want to have the comments that like I have a hope for the AI because making the coding, I think, is twice faster than before, and always the responsibility is a key for the human being because AI doesn't have a responsibility, right? So like the people need to be involved, so that how we can be as an engineer to be the responsibility holder for using AI. I think that's how we can survive. Okay, you guys have a group. So the last topic, you can talk anything about AI and career. In 1 minute. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I see that a lot of heat from you guys. it's getting like very excited. So I want to hear from this gentleman, your name, and then what did you talk about?
My name is Yusuke. We talked about AI in general, maybe, and uh, I talked about how I use AI in my work. I work as a software engineer, as a front end or back end engineer, I use TypeScript every day. And when I work, I I sometimes don't know the solution, the tasks, in front of me. And when in trouble, I just copies the error messages that TypeScript, gives me, and paste it to ChatGPT, and it gives me the correct answer to the problem. Sometimes it's I cannot uh, it does not give me the correct answer, but it's okay. It at least gives me the hint of the problems. It is how I use AI in my work. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. I personally believe that like there is a huge impact for the like more front end, especially like these like very specific part, like using like setting the function of like type or like very specific part is which we don't want to do. There is a huge impact. Thank you. What about you, sir? Your name and then what you talk about.
Yeah, I'm Hibiki Nemoto, and I'm just a student, so I don't know how the engineers working in the company. But I think that using AI, and it is a very easier to hunting the job as a freshman. So it is very useful, but in the running the engineering, it is not good because using hand and coding with and using when the coding, it is very important to use their own hand. So it is AI makes it harder to learning about engineering, and that's I might talked in this group.
Nice, thank you. How come you can speak nice comment as a student? Maybe he is AI. I really don't know. Okay, thank you very much for the discussion time. And we're going to have the break time in 10 minutes. So please be back here